I'm going to introduce you to this tool that I created over the summer. This is a website that allows students to upload their multimedia creations like videos or audios and get feedback from their peers. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. As you can see, here's a submit a video button. When you click on that, it will ask you to enter a valid YouTube video link. Here, I'll use my own video as an example. This is a video that I created for the Multimedia Pittsburgh course. When you copy and paste the link and click Submit Video, the tool will parse the video link, and here you can see video submitted. Once the link is parsed, the video will appear on this site. Anyone that accesses this site will be able to see your video listed here. And then they can click on the video and play the video. What is specific about this tool is that the viewers can leave comments for a specific point in the video. For example, here I'm at the 2-second point. I can leave a comment, for example, like make the font size bigger, and leave my name here, Troy, and add the comment here. Once the comment is posted, you can see the comment appearing on the right. Each comment is linked to the specific point that the viewer left the comment. When anyone clicks on that comment, the video will jump directly to that specific point. So it is easy to relate the advice or suggestions with the specific points in the video. In this way, both the video creator and the viewers can learn from these comments made by their peers. So that's about it for this tool. I hope this can help you guys learn from each other and make better videos and audio.